Verse 46. Or do you think that you will enter paradise while such trial has not yet come to you as came to those who passed on before you? They were touched by poverty and hardship and were shaken until, even their messenger and those who believed with him said, When is the help of Allah? Unquestionably, the help of Allah is near. Verse 47. They ask you, O Muhammad, what they should spend. Say, whatever you spend of good is, to be, for parents and relatives and orphans and the needy and the traveler. And whatever you do of good indeed, Allah is knowing of it. Verse 48. Fight in the way of Allah those who fight you but do not transgress. Indeed, Allah does not like transgressors. Verse 49. And kill them wherever you overtake them and expel them from wherever they have expelled you, and fitna is worse than killing. And do not fight them at al-Masjid al-Haram until they fight you there. But if they fight you, then kill them. Such is the recompense of the disbelievers. Verse 50. And if they cease, then indeed Allah is forgiving and merciful. Verse 51. Fight them until there is no more fitna and until worship is acknowledged to be for Allah. But if they cease, then there is to be no aggression except against the oppressors. Verse 52. Fighting in the sacred month is for aggression committed in the sacred month, and for all violations is legal retribution. So whoever has assaulted you, then assault him in the same way that he has assaulted you. And fear Allah and know that Allah is with those who fear Him. Verse 53. And spend in the way of Allah and do not throw yourselves, with your own hands into destruction, by refraining. And do good, indeed Allah loves the doers of good. Verse 54. And complete the Hajj and Umrah for Allah. But if you are prevented, then offer what can be obtained with ease of sacrificial animals. And do not shave your heads until the sacrificial animal has reached its place of slaughter. And whoever among you is ill or has an ailment of the head, making shaving necessary, must offer a ransom of fasting 3 days, or charity or sacrifice. And when you are secure, then whoever performs Umrah during the Hajj months, followed by Hajj, offers what can be obtained with ease of sacrificial animals. And whoever cannot find or afford such an animal, then a fast of 3 days during Hajj and of 7 when you have returned home. Those are 10 complete days. This is for those whose family is not in the area of al-Masjid al-Haram. And fear Allah and know that Allah is severe in penalty. Verse 55. Remember when you were few and oppressed in the land, fearing that people might abduct you, but He sheltered you, supported you with His victory, and provided you with good things that you might be grateful. Verse 56. O you who have believed, take not those who have taken your religion in ridicule and amusement among the ones who were given the scripture before you, nor the disbelievers as allies. And fear Allah, if you should truly be believers. Verse 57. And when you call to prayer, they take it in ridicule and amusement.